No one food will magically lead to weight loss, and thinking about your overall pattern is way more important than one specific meal. But certain foods can be better than others about supporting your efforts. What makes a food good for weight loss? Foods that are good for weight loss are primarily focused on fiber and protein. These two nutrients can help you feel more full and satisfied for longer. Also, it should be a food that you enjoy. Here are 10 foods you should add to your plate each week if you want to lose weight. 1. Chia seeds. These little seeds pack a punch when it comes to fiber, protein, and nutrients. 2 tablespoons satisfies a whopping 40% of your fiber needs with 5 grams of plant-based protein. It's also a great source of calcium, iron, omega-3s, and nutrients that are notoriously hard to find if you're following a vegan diet. They're super versatile and can be mixed into numerous dishes including oatmeal, smoothies, baked goods, and granola bars. 2. Fatty fish. Fatty fish specifically are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are super important for your heart and brain health. They're also a great source of protein, which together with healthy fats can help curb your hunger. Fresh fish is a great option, but it can get really expensive and spoil quickly. So opt for canned or frozen to help extend the shelf life and save you some money. 3. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables refer to veggies in the Brassica genus, so this includes things like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, collard greens, and chard, and that's why they're referred to often as dark leafy greens. They're some of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and they're really high in fiber and nutrients and very little calories, suiting them well to weight loss efforts. Meal prep them into salads, saute them as a side, or blend them into smoothies to help you reap the benefits. 4. Whole grains. Many people think you need to cut out carbs when you're trying to lose weight, and that is not the case. Whole grains are packed with fiber, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and antioxidants that help us feel full and satisfied and also function at our best. In fact, our bodies and brains prefer to use energy from carbs. Enjoy whole grains in varied sources, including breads, barley, brown rice, whole grain pasta, corn, and more. 5. Apples. You might have heard the expression that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and while that might be a little bit strong, they could help you in your weight loss efforts. 1 medium apple has about 5 grams of fiber if you eat the skin. They're inexpensive, they last for weeks in your fridge, and they're a super portable snack option. Enjoy them as is, dipped in nut butter, on top of salads, or whirled into soups. I love them in my butternut squash soup. 6. Fermented foods. A healthy gut helps support healthy immune function and keeps our intestinal tract healthy, which is important to help you get the most from what you eat. To support a healthy gut, we need probiotic-rich foods such as kimchi, kefir, kombucha, miso, sauerkraut, and tempeh. We also need prebiotics, which are the food that our healthy gut bacteria eats, like bananas, leeks, onions, and garlic. 7. Pistachios. All nuts can be included in a healthy eating pattern for weight loss since they're all great sources of fiber, healthy fat, and protein. The key is portion control because they can be calorie dense. That said, pistachios are the lowest calorie nut with about 160 calories per quarter cup. Research has found that eating them at least twice a week might reduce risk for future weight gain. 8. Eggs. Eggs are a great protein source for a lot of reasons. They're one of the most affordable proteins at the grocery store, especially when you think about the per serving price. They're super versatile, and they can seamlessly work in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And if hard-boiled, they make a great snack. 9. Avocados. Avocados provide a 1-2 punch of fiber and healthy fats. Plus, their creamy texture adds richness and flavor to basically anything. Enjoy them on top of toast, in soups or salads, blended into a smoothie, or in a dessert like a chocolate mousse or pudding. 10. Dark chocolate. Every eating pattern should make room for dessert, and research has shown that deprivation of certain foods or food groups can lead to a cycle of binging and restricting, and that can sabotage your weight loss efforts and your overall health. So enjoy dark chocolate. It's packed with antioxidants, can be heart healthy, mood boosting, and might even make it easier to stick to your healthy eating pattern for the long term. Choosing a dark chocolate with 70% cacao or higher can help you limit the added sugars too. Several foods on this list can be enjoyed at any time of day, from breakfast to dessert. So the best foods for weight loss are the ones that you enjoy, especially if they're packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fat. Thanks for watching, and eat well.